Welcome to back my channel CarCrest. Do not forget and like, subscribe, share. 2025 Honda CG125 you can use for your video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary motorcycles in the commuter segment, the 2025 Honda CG125. Known for its unmatched durability, low maintenance, and fuel efficiency, this bike has been a top choice for daily riders across Asia, especially in Pakistan and other developing countries. Let's break down what's new in the 2025 model and why it still holds a strong position in the market. Design and style. 030. At first glance, the 2025 CG125 sticks to its traditional look, and that's a good thing for its fanbase. The classic design is part of its charm, a straightforward, no-nonsense commuter that does what it's built to do. That said, Honda has introduced new graphics on the fuel tank and side covers, giving it a fresher look. Chrome finishing on the muffler and front shocks keeps the retro appeal alive. The bike comes in its usual red and black color options, both of which continue to be extremely popular. Engine and performance. 115. Under the tank, the CG125 still carries the 125cc 4-stroke OHV air-cooled engine, a tried-and-tested powerplant that's known for its reliability. It delivers around 11 horsepower and is mated to a 4-speed transmission. While it doesn't offer modern features like fuel injection or a 5-speed gearbox, what it lacks in tech it makes up for in raw, mechanical simplicity. This is a bike that can be fixed by almost any roadside mechanic, and parts are cheap and widely available. Fuel economy. 2 o'clock. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest points of the CG125. You can expect 40 to 50 kilometers per liter, depending on riding style and road conditions. This makes it an ideal choice for students, office goers, and daily commuters who want a powerful engine without burning a hole in their wallet. Ride and comfort. 230. In terms of comfort, the 2025 model maintains the traditional suspension setup with telescopic forks at the front and dual spring shocks at the rear. It's not the most plush ride out there, but it handles city bumps and potholes decently. The seating is upright and spacious enough for two, which is perfect for everyday rides. Brakes and handling. 3 o'clock. You get drum brakes on both ends, which are adequate for the kind of performance this bike offers. No disc brakes, no ABS, but again, simplicity is the name of the game here. The bike's lightweight frame and responsive steering make it easy to maneuver through traffic and tight spots. Pricing and availability. 330. In 2025, the Honda CG125 is priced at around 234,900 Pakistani rupees in Pakistan. It's still one of the most affordable and value-packed motorcycles you can buy. Honda also offers a slightly upgraded version, the CG125 Self, which comes with a self-starter and slightly different styling. Final thoughts. 4 o'clock. So, is the 2025 Honda CG125 worth it? If you're looking for a rugged, reliable, and economical commuter bike that will last for years and is easy to maintain, then yes, absolutely. It may not be flashy or modern, but it does exactly what it promises. And that's why the CG125 continues to dominate the streets after all these years. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new CG125. Would you choose it over other 125cc bikes? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more two-wheeled content. Ride safe and see you in the next one. Want a voiceover script version or subtitles as well?